Baie Ternay Marine Park, the 9 best scuba diving sites in the Seychelles. Getty, Martin Moxter. 1. Dive type, boat dive. 2. Closest departure point, Beau Vallon, Mahé. 3. Depth, 40 feet. 4. Certification required, open water. Baie Ternay Marine Park is one of the best dive sites in the Seychelles for beginner divers, though many divers with advanced certification still count it among their favorites. The shallow, protected area of ocean has bright blue lagoons, healthy and varied coral, and a lively reef. It's ideal for snorkeling, which makes this a good morning or afternoon trip if half of your travel crew doesn't dive. Both snorkelers and divers are likely to see sea turtles grazing on the seagrass, schooling reef fish, and small eels poking out of the sandy ocean floor.